Silver premiums are crazy. What should you do? Well, I'm going to try to help you with this video. First off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you Kitco's silver price. And then I'm going to show you some dealers, some coin online dealers that are selling silver, how much over they're charging, and do they have any in stock? Now, let's get over to some of these dealers and the price. And the price here on Kitco looks like it's a bid of 2012 right here and an ask of 2022. So in looking at this silver price, it's down 51 cents on the day. It is also down 2.47%. That's a pretty healthy amount. I mean, 2.5% almost is a lot to be concerned about. But should you really worry about it? I don't think you should. And we're going to talk about that a little more when I get back. But first, let's go over to our very first person that is selling silver. And do they have any? Here's Hero Bullion. It appears that they do have it in stock. As you can see right down here, I have it highlighted. $4.49 over spot. That's a little bit higher than it was earlier this week and last week. Now, we do have a few more, 4 more to be exact, that we're going to go through and show you if they have it, if they don't. Next up, we have Money Metals. That's correct, Money Metals. You know what they say. The silver and gold medal is the real money. But anyway, we got Money Metals here. They have spot, as you can see, 509 over spot, and they keep this came down for us. 2037 is where they're calling it. They do have some in stock. Again, this as low as 2646, a little bit higher than the previous one. The next one up is JM Bullion. As you can see, they are also at 509 over spot, and they are calling silver 2038. Now, if you remember right, when I first started, I showed you Kitco's price. Bid was 2012, ask was 2022. Why there's such a big difference? I guess you could say it's how bad they want it. Some people will call silver higher so they can sell for more, or because they're willing to pay more. So that is totally the company's discretion, I guess you could say. Different people have different prices they go by, but I use Kitco as a standard myself. So that we've went through Hero, we've went through Money Metals, we've done JM. Can you figure out who we're going to do next? That's right. Next up is the highest one on the list today. APMEX is at $5.89 over spot per ounce of silver. Now, they are the highest. They do have it available, $26.27 if you buy 500. But if you just get one, it's $27.27 if you're wanting just 1 ounce. But do remember, you got shipping on top of that you'll have to pay. Now, our next one is the least expensive one, but do they have it? Let's see. Our least expensive one on the list, believe it or not, and you can believe it because they're usually the best priced, but let's see if they have it. You can get it as low as $23.83 an ounce, right? That's great, but do you have it? There it is. If you order 1,500 ounces, but if you just order one, they're $24.63 plus shipping. But again, do you have it? At $3.49 over spot. Let's see. How do we click that? There we go. No, they don't have it. So guys, I can tell you I'm going to sell it as cheap as I want if I don't have it. But normally, I mean, not to dog SD Bullion, they normally have something in hand. Now, a lot of guys are out of stock at this time, but the ones that have stock, as you notice, you're paying $4.49 to $5.89 over. So that is a standard for in-stock stuff. I have ordered stuff and I'm 6 weeks out and it's that $3.49 over, but I can't get it for 6 weeks. We're back. Finally, after showing all that information on who has silver, who doesn't, how much it is, where Kitco's price is. As you know, I go by Kitco as a standard. Now, silver premiums are crazy. What should you do? Well, in my opinion, maybe I'm crazy, but I bought silver yesterday or 2 days ago, Thursday, and I lost 51 cents on the ounce. So did I really lose? No, I didn't lose because I didn't sell it. It's coming in 6 weeks. But the thing about it is I am concerned. Should I be concerned? No, I shouldn't be concerned. So what should you do? My opinion, with these premiums going up, still spend the same dollar amount that you spend. Don't worry about the premiums because it will all work itself out in the end. Because what you want to do is you want a dollar cost average, as I've said many a times before. Worry about continually stacking. Don't worry about the premiums because if you worry about the premiums, yeah, the premiums will go away someday. Whether they'll go back down to that $2 over an ounce, I don't think they will. But they will go away. But the question is, like I said earlier, can you get it at the same price? The odds are probably not when that premium comes down. Because right now, guys, we're 6 weeks out on ordering to get it for that $3.49 to $4 over. So I recommend that if you want to keep putting the same amount of money in silver, do it. You just have to get a few less ounces. I shouldn't be concerned rather, because I'm going for the long haul. I'm investing for the right reasons. And those reasons are basically to insure my money, to preserve my wealth. So basically what I'm saying, guys, is don't worry about these crazy high premiums because as silver goes down, the premiums go up. As silver goes up, the premiums will eventually come down. And in the end, what you're doing is preserving your wealth. So it's better to get it now than be without later for the future. Because remember, your wealth is important and you need real money. And that's silver and that's gold. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it.